Hi guys, Range Rover L322. If I was having issue all of a sudden, the key, ignition key, it was stuck and it won't move, right? It won't move at all. And I researched too much, and I find some related videos and everything. It will tell you, the location of the hole where you make the hole, and to make the solenoid working. Okay, so what I did, I just trying to help you guys. If anybody have a Range Rover L322, it's a 2006 model, right? So what I did, because my solenoid was stuck, all of a sudden I just parked, and in the morning it was started honestly. So what I did, you remove these two covers, all right, top and bottom one, right? Any other tricks it didn't work for me basically. So, and just give me 1 second. This is the drill, and I'm just showing you the location of the drill, location of the hole. Okay, there we go. It's right next to, just there. I make a hole. Okay, I already make, basically I just would like to show you. Okay, and I I spray WD-40, and I leave it for like about, I think, 10-15 minutes, right? And now you can hear the clicking noise. Here we go. Starts. Remove. I try many times, no problem at all. Try first time. Start first time. Only one problem, because I disconnect the battery too, and also I just replaced the battery as well. So only after replacing the battery I'm having this ABS lights and these 2-3 lights. I can reset, it's not a big issue. So other than that, everything else is fine. Also, let me show you something else. Sorry, I don't have a professional camera. Also, it's worth checking fuse number 18. Okay, so fuse number 18, it's, you will see 1 2 3 4 5 ampere fuse, and next to it there is another one which is 10 ampere, and that is the fuse number. I'll just try to close up. Okay, so here we go. This is 10 ampere fuse. Okay, before you make a hole, make sure you check 10 ampere fuse as well. Okay, so this fuse is for the ignition barrel and the immobilizer, the immobilizer circuit board into the steering column. So it works for me, to be honest. And fuse, if you want to count the fuse, it starts from this side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on, and this is the number 18 fuse. Okay, if you remove the number 18 fuse, and just to make sure fuse is fine. Okay, the fuse, if the fuse is fine, then make a hole and it should be just spray some WD-40 and you should be crack on. Okay, I opened the whole thing just to what happened to the camera. Yes, so good luck for that, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.